Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Today we are going to be talking about how can improve your health with lemon water. Lemon water is a simple and delicious way to boost your health and well-being. Lemons are packed with vitamin C, which is essential for a healthy immune system. They also have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties which can help to detoxify the body and improve digestion. Drinking lemon water first thing in the morning can help to wake up and energize you. It can also help to stimulate your liver and kickstart your digestion for the day. Additionally, lemon water can help to alkalize the body and balance the pH levels, which can improve overall health and reduce the risk of chronic disease. Lemon water can also be a great way to stay hydrated throughout the day. It's much healthier alternative to sugary drinks, and it can help to curb your appetite and reduce cravings for unhealthy snacks. Making lemon water is easy. All you need is a glass of water and a lemon. Cut your lemon in half and squeeze the juice into a glass. You can also add a little honey or a few mint leaves for added flavor. We recommend drinking lemon water every day to see the benefits. Try to make a habit. You can drink it before your breakfast or lunch. You can also experiment with different variations such as adding ginger or turmeric for added health benefits. In conclusion, lemon water is a simple and delicious way to improve your health and well-being. It's a great way to stay hydrated and boost your immune system. Try incorporating it into your daily routine and see the difference it can make in your life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.